Hello everyone, I am Shrikant. In this lesson, we'll cover how to enable CT, skills and site according to the CIF and make them active in the application. So let's begin. For this, go to the DI server and connect the DB using SQL Yoke software. First, we have to get the client ID from client profile table. From client profile table, we are getting client ID. This is the client name which we are going to be used to configure, and this will be the same name will be the LOB in the portal. So we'll note it down the 27 client ID. To make the CT enable and active, look for the contact type table. In this table, we have to update two values. First, active column value, and second, the client ID column value. So these two value, the first active column, we simply have to update the value 1 to make the CT active, and client ID, we have to update the client ID 27 to make this CT available on the portal. So we see we have already enabled few CTs and may already activated them. I'm not going to make any changes right this moment. Similarly, for skills, there is a skill M table where we can see the all available skills, and we have to update the same two column active and client ID. To make them available, we have to update client ID. Once we update the client ID, this entity will be available to access from portal, and to active, this will get considered while importing data based on these active skills and CTs. Now we'll move to the CT. Now we'll move to the site, the sites table. In this table, we have to update active column. We simply have to make active value as 1. And this is how we update client ID so that the entity will be available from portal, and make them active by updating active column. Once we update this value, the same entity will be available. So let's check the portal. This is the portal. Login as a client admin privilege. Go to the master. For CT, go to the contact type. Here we have option to make them active and deactive. For skills, click on update and we'll see the options to make skill active. And for site, we have one more thing that we need to update when we are going to enable the site. Select the active column and update the time zone. So this is the time zone which agents are appearing. This is the time zone which is going to affect the agents while they see their schedules. And this is how we update values from the portal for CT, site and skills. Thank you.